So today I decided to try something a little different. You get these really cheap little HD cams off, I think, Banggood, or some of the local guys have them. I think it's an iMars SQ11 or something like that. And the reason I tried it is because I was looking for a lighter camera. I think this thing weighs under 20 grams without a mount or something like that. And I wanted a fairly decent camera. I mean, it didn't have to be GoPro quality or even, I don't know, Runcam. Oh geez, what do you call them? Yeah, anyway, those ones. You know, I just wanted something that if I were to crash really badly while racing, I wouldn't really care if the camera broke a little, you know. So I tried it. It's horrible. The field of view is terrible. The other thing I hate about it is the SD card on the corner doesn't actually clip in, so I had to stick a piece of tape over it like that. I mean, if I pull this off, it literally just slides in there and, oh jeez, I don't know, like that. There you go. Focus. That one. Okay. I don't know. You judge for yourself. Here's some footage side by side with my DVR from the same flock. I just flew around at work. Nothing amazing. Just really wanted to see what it looked like. You be the judge. I don't.